Hello, welcome. My name is Sarah from the Gravenhurst Public Library, and today I'm going to be showing you how to access Hoopla's Bonus Borrows. For anyone not familiar with Hoopla, it is a free service with your library card that gives you access to ebooks, audiobooks, movies and TV, music, magazines, and comics. Each month you can check out 5 titles in any format. However, there is a way for you to get more than 5 checkouts a month, and that is through Bonus Borrows. Quarterly, Hoopla releases a Bonus Borrows collection where any title in that collection won't count towards your monthly checkouts. That means you can borrow as many of them as you wish and still use your 5 checkouts on other items. For today, I'm going to walk you through a really quick tutorial to get you started on accessing Hoopla's Bonus Borrows. I am currently on the web browser version of Hoopla and I'm all signed in. From here, the easiest way to access Bonus Borrows is to go up to the search bar and simply search Bonus. From here we can see a list of some different collections, but if we select all titles, this will show us all of the titles that are available in the Bonus Borrow collection. If you're looking for something more specific or you enjoy a specific format, such as audiobooks, you can go up to Browse and select Audiobooks. If we scroll down, we see Genres and Collections. And from here, under Featured Collections, we can see some more Bonus Borrows. So here we have the All Audiobooks. So this is going to show us all audiobooks that count towards as a bonus borrow. Or we can look up collections that feature audiobooks under a specific theme, such as sci-fi and fantasy, or suspenseful tales. So if I select suspenseful tales, this is going to feature all stories, movies and TVs and magazines, including audiobooks that fall under as a suspenseful tale. With that, you are ready to explore the bonus titles Hoopla has to offer. If you have any questions about Hoopla, you can always contact the library and we would be happy to help you.